video. I am so excited because now I get to start posting clothing videos about fall. So to start off the whole fall season on YouTube, I have a bunch of dresses from this website called Rosegal. This is actually my second time ordering from Rosegal. I was pretty impressed the first time. I have a video, I'll link it up here. It was trying on bathing suits under $10 on 2 different body types, which was pretty exciting, so you can watch that after this video. They gotta watch this video first. But anyways, my experience so far with Rosegal shipping wise, it's taken anywhere from like 1.5 to 2 weeks to arrive at my house. I'm gonna be like talking about if the quality's good or if it fits to the size. So all of these were ordered in a small. Without any more talking from Tabitha, let's just get into the video. The way we're gonna do this is I have realized that a lot of you guys don't enjoy really when I sit here and I like talk about the fabric of the clothes and stuff like that. So I'm literally just gonna go try it on and then I'm gonna talk about it when I put it on. And this is my first time trying these on too, so I'm excited. I apologize for any wrinkles in the clothes because I've left them in the container, so. Guys, this is so gorgeous. I love these ruffles. It's pretty much below the knee, so like that's pretty awesome, or like to the fingertip, it depends on your school. And like the back, I would want to wear like spandex under this because if you turn, it flares up type of deal, so. Super happy about this, definitely 10 out of 10. The fabric feels amazing, and these buttons are like little wooden buttons, and they're so cute. So, I'm sorry, you're fine. This dress is literally hashtag goals. So by the way, you can't really see, I have to jump. Okay, here we are. It goes like right to my shin. I should just probably move my camera, but that's too much work. So this dress, look at the back. I can't even talk about the front yet. It has the most beautiful keyhole right in the back. This bow is added. It also comes off. So like what you could do is you could tie like a cute little thing around your head. I don't know if I would actually feel like bougie enough to do that, but also I suppose then being able to tie the bow in the back. Is my head cut off? Oh my word, it's just a struggle today. You know what? You guys are just gonna have to deal with the video. Okay, I had too much coffee, obviously. Rosegal gave me a 20% off code for you guys because I worked with them before. If you want to order any of these dresses, you get 20% off. So the last thing I want to talk about this dress is the fabric of it. It honestly kind of feels like the fabric inside of like a beach bag where it's like water resistant type of thing. Feeling the fabric before I tried it on, I was a little bit worried about that. I'm thinking like, oh, this is not gonna look good. This is gonna be strange. But guys, it looks expensive. Like it looks silky. I'm 10 out of 10 on this dress. I'm so excited to wear this. All right, next. I wanted to wear this because this is crazy revealing. Like, it's such a beautiful dress. I think it's just a little bit too big for me, and that's the biggest reason. So like, it just is a little bit loose right here. Other than that, this dress fabric is super fun. It's so flowy. Look at how beautiful the colors are. I think it's just not for me. So let me know what you guys think. Hey, have an idea. Ooh, pick me. You could wear a white t-shirt under this. You know how people do that whole white t-shirt, black t-shirt thing? Guys, this is so beautiful. Why are the 2 different reds different colors in my camera? Guys, I apologize if I can't color correct these to match correctly. That's the struggle of editing. Anyways, this is so pretty. I think the ruffles are probably my favorite part. I think it makes it look fun and flowy, but it's also modest. This fabric, it's thin, but it's like, it doesn't seem like papery or like cheap fabric, if you know what I mean. I feel like it'd be anything like I would get at Forever 21 or whatever. And the flowers are so pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's little brown accents right in the white flowers, which is so pretty. Totally fall themed. And I don't know if you guys know this, psychologists have studied the colors and the different colors and how like we associate them subconsciously in our brains. And so red, apparently, if we found somebody attractive beforehand, when they wear the color red, subconsciously in our minds, we view them as about 25% more attractive than we did to begin with, which is so fascinating. Again, that's just fun facts with Tabitha. So always pick the color red, always wear the red dress. Red isn't super my color, but I feel like it can be anybody's color because it's such a powerful color and it's so pretty. The back here makes me look like a fun little schoolgirl. Like I just feel like I'm on Pinterest right now. I'm a walking Pinterest picture. Love that. Totally quality. It's not even that wrinkled and it's been in that container, so. Okay, so this one, whoa, I need your help on. I don't know what to think. I also have a couple comments first. So many thoughts. Let me categorize them. Beep, bop, bop, boop, bop. Okay, so pretty much my thoughts are starting here. This was a little funny. It's like those stretchy things that are attached to the shoes when you buy them to keep the shoes together. That's the little fabric right there. So, oops, I put it on backwards. Oh, interesting. You have to put it on the right way. Did I put them all on the right way? I hope so. The only thing here about that is that if that breaks, you're in a little bit of trouble. I am not sure how I feel about the sleeves. Like, this is so pretty. It's kind of like that first pink one with the whole like fun flowy detail. It's a little bit shorter, but then again, it may just be because this is like crimped and weird from being folded in that plastic bag. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like this with the big sleeves? I feel like it might be really cute if I put my hair up into a bun. So then it's like more focused on just the dress and it's like one of those cozy looking things. Let me know what you guys think. This is the one I need help on. Give me your guys' comments down below. What would you rate this 0 out of 10? I'm feeling like I'm gonna rate it like a 7. We have one bathing suit. I've done so many bathing suit videos. I'm saying we have one bathing suit left. Oh my goodness, it's fall, Tabitha. It's not summer anymore. Ah! As I was putting this on, I may or may not have like tried to put it on this way instead of putting on over my head, which I know better than that. My bad. Anyways, I kind of broke one of the little bungee things. That's just like the other one that holds the button. So, oops, my bad. I just need to quickly like hot glue that or something. So I'll figure that out later. The fabric on this dress is different than the other ones. This is probably the softest one. It feels thin, but it's not see-through thin. So pretty much the dark red fabric is not see-through at all. I cannot see anything through it. It's so pretty. It's like, it's fall, but it's like I can wear this outside in the south and not get super like hot. So, oh, I really like this one. This one's definitely like 9 out of 10. It's not Tabitha proofed yet, so it has to be 9 out of 10 because I was able to break it, so that's not good. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. It really does help my videos do really well on YouTube and get into the algorithm, which we want to grow this beautiful family of just crazy people. And I don't know why you're here watching me, but it's fine. I love that. Also, if you like what we do here and you kind of had fun and you would want to watch more of me, there's a subscribe button down below. And if you click the bell and choose always, you'll be the first to know about all of my videos, which is super awesome because we're coming up with some giveaways here in these next couple of videos. So super excited for that. And I'm gonna stop talking now because my battery is dying over there. I can see it flashing like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.